pay RBC credit card with points. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to pay RBC credit card with points. So in order to do this procedure, you can either use an application or a web browser. Now, if you're using an application, you can log in into your account and you can just go ahead and use the redemption method. Or else, if you're using a web browser, then you can just go ahead and open up a browser first thing, and on the web address bar type in www.royalbank.com/redeem points. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. And while you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you have this option as pay with points. Accordingly, you can either pay credit card with point, or you can pay back purchases with point, or you can pay bills with point. So select what you actually want to do with your points. For example, if you want to go with pay credit card now, just go ahead and tap on the link and it's going to ask you to log in into your online banking account by entering the client card or username, and tap the next button, and then you'll be asked to enter in the passcode to log in into your account. That's going to directly take you to the page where you have to go ahead and enter in the redemption number, such as the gift card number, and then you have to provide in the details and all that, and mention how much point you actually want to use it and all that, and you've successfully paid with your points. So that's how you can pay RBC credit card with points. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.